Alright guys, right now we're headed to a local park nearby. It's called Schwartzwald Park. Sunday, right around 5:30. Water temps right around 55 to 60, somewhere in that area. That's what the Cleveland offshore water was. But this is a pond, probably about 2 acres big. So I'm guessing it's right around, 60, real close to 60. Going with my friend Crosby. We used to work together. Pretty big fisherman himself, so we're gonna go out and see what we can get. Stay tuned.
Kind of let it go until it hits the bottom and then start from there.
Yeah, if it's like really shallow, I'm automatically tweaking it.
Yeah.
Just so it doesn't completely hit the bottom. Just because it's trash.
Go.
Pretty big one.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's a good size one right there.
Look at that fucking thing.
Hell yeah.
That's a largie and a black and blue flake. Nice healthy fish. Red belly, getting ready for spawn. Say about 2.5 pounds. Water cattle, maybe.
Ooh, there you go.
Woo. Blackback, baby. Get him out of the brush.
There you go.
He got a mouthful.
Nice fish, man.
Just let it sit there when you hit it. Yeah, you wait a couple seconds. Spank them. There we go, baby, on the Senko. Black and blue flake. You get him? Cross is hooked up right now.
Get a picture of me with my phone.
Yeah, no doubt. Cross got that red hook. Green pumpkin, baby. Nice little 3-pounder. That PB.
Hey, oh, hey, easy there. Ooh, he's feisty.
Closer, so it's gonna make it look big too. That.
Hell yeah.
Cross got himself a hog. There's some serious water cattle in this joint. Got him off a little green pumpkin. What is that? Green pumpkin? Senko? Check him out. You gotta hold him close, make him look bigger. Fuck yeah, baby.
Look at that, baby.
Fuck yeah, look at those gills.
Hell yeah.
Don't be catch and release over here, baby. Good job, Cross.